In this week's episode, we go to Tahquamenon Falls and check out the lower and upper falls.
Loading, please wait.
Tahquamenon Falls is a great location to visit, whether a few hours or a few days. On this trip we stayed at the Lower Falls campground, located a half-mile walk from the Lower Falls and 4-mile hike from the upper. This is a great area to stop and check out on your UP adventure. Enjoy the footage from our 4 days in the state park.
What do you think of the falls?
Beautiful. I love the sound. Follow me, folks. Freaking this gorge.
It's not a viewing deck. Stop viewing.
No, they mean down there. You can view from here.
You can do it. You can do it. Thank you.
Yeah. Man, it feels good though. Look at all the things. Very tall.
Think it'd be fun to go over them in a boat?
I would just send it. I dive off it.
Dive off it?
Do it every day. The rocks are drippy. Drippy rocks.
We're gonna try to get Chippy on camera. See him up there. Oh, he's coming. He's coming for the phone. Oh, I missed him. He was too quick. At Kitchitikipi, the tour raft is man-powered and guided across the spring by steel cable.
If you could like and subscribe, it would help a lot. And if you wanna watch our other videos and be notified when we post the video, hit the bell icon after you hit the subscribe button.
Islands that have ferries. There's Sugar Island, Neebish Island, Drummond, of course. There's Boise Blank, Mackinac, of course.
Beaver Island.
Beaver, but they don't have anything about a ferry.
That's what that is, isn't it? And look, you could go from here to Isle Royale.
I bet that's a long ferry ride. But that's quite the ferry ride, don't you think? But you can go over to Minnesota.
No, is that Minnesota? Oh yeah, that is Minnesota.
Welcome to the art of making a Nutella sandwich. First, you get your finger in there, so you've got a lot of Nutella to spread. Then you dig your knife way down in the dough. Oh, dig it, it's a little cold, so the Nutella is stiff. Then you, get the Nutella out. All right, here we are. This is the Nutella customer right next to me. He looks a bit angry, but that's because he hasn't had any Nutella. Oh, he doesn't look angry. He looks rather happy because he's about to have some Nutella.
Hey, how you doing?
So we're here at the Tahquamenon Falls here, and there's many things you can do here. One of the many things is looking at the falls. Let's take a look.
So we're at the Tahquamenon Falls, and it's pretty cool, as you can see.
Apparently, Clay's really good at videotaping, so we let him do most of it, but the rest of us don't really want to do it, so we're letting him do it. It's great.